Hello everyone, this is Rishabh Bhattacharjee and you're watching the Happy Coding channel. In today's video, we would be talking about the Python Turtle module. Well, what is this turtle actually? The turtle is a pre-installed Python library that enables users to create pictures and shapes by providing them with a virtual canvas. The on-screen pen that we would be using for drawing is called the turtle, and this is what gives the library its name. In short, the Python Turtle library helps new programmers get a feel for what programming with Python is like in a fun and interactive way. So let's get started. We are going to be using the Python ideally, although you can use your preferred text editor for this. So let's first import the turtle module. As you can see, we imported the turtle module, and next what we have to do is we would create an object called a, although you can name it anything you want. Then we would be storing the turtle class inside this object, and as you can see, a window appeared, and this is actually the Python turtle graphics window on which we would be working. Although this arrow thing, this is called the turtle. Although you would be asking me that this doesn't look like a turtle in any way, so what you can do is, if you want, you can change the shape of it like this. And as you can see, now it looks like a turtle. So let's see, what we can do is a dot forward, and as you can see, the turtle moved forward and it drew a line along the way through which it walked forward. Now we can do many things with it. We can move it forward, backwards, right, left, using the degree of turning. So this is a short video in which we would be just drawing a square with the turtle. So how would we draw a square? Well, what we can do is we can use a for loop, using which we would be drawing it. A for loop in range of, let's say, 3. We would turn it right at a 90-degree angle, and then again move it forward, and we would repeat this action 3 times. Let's see what happens. And as you can see, we created a perfect square with the turtle. So you can use the turtle and create your own types of shapes and sizes and enjoy working with turtle. Until now, it was all about learning what the turtle does, but you can make it do whatever you want. So this video was about all this. We would be creating a lot of new videos about the turtle method and how we can create new types of shapes and sizes with the turtle method. So please wait until the new videos are out. Until then, goodbye.